Question number 3. The shaded shape is an isosceles triangle. Write in the missing coordinate. Well, let's have a look what we've got. We've got 6, 8, so drop a line down, drop a line across. Now it's along the corridor up the stairs. So from 0 in the corner, that's going to be 6 along the corridor. So that arrow is level with 6, and 8 up the stairs. So that arrow is level with 8. Let's do the same for this point. Drop a line down and drop a line across. So 32, 18. So from 0, 32 is 32 along the corridor. So this arrow along the bottom is level with 32, and the arrow up the side must be level with 18. Now this is where you need a little bit of knowledge, because it's an isosceles triangle. Now an isosceles triangle has a line of symmetry. And the line of symmetry is this line straight through the middle. Now, because it's a line of symmetry, it means that this gap is the same as the gap on the other side. But wait a second. We actually know this gap below the line of symmetry is the gap from 8 to 18. And that is a gap of 10. 8 to 18 is a gap of 10. But because it's symmetrical, we need a gap of 10 above the line of symmetry as well. So if the line of symmetry is level with 18, and you go up another 10 from 18, that's going to take us to 28 at the top. So this point at the top of the triangle must be level with 28. Now we've already got the 6, because it's level with the 6 all the way down at the bottom. So we've got the 6 there. All we need to fill in is that it goes up level with 28. But it's all to do with the fact that it's an isosceles triangle, and therefore it's got a line of symmetry. So the gap of 10 below the line of symmetry has a gap of 10 above the line of symmetry. So you get up in tens. It goes 8, 18, 28.